sign until we come to the switch it off for you. For your comfort and safety, recommend the seatbelt fasten follow the whole direction of the flight. There is a call bell, a reading light, and a pressure bench in the panel just above your head. Shortly, the crew will be passing through the cabin with our getaway cabinet service, followed by a presentation of our duty-free parking cosmetics convenience. And Valentine's Day is here, and we want you to have that special gift for a special price. So we have the promotion of 10% discount on all the perfumes that we sell on board. It's in addition to the Brothers being cheaper than the General High Street. We have limited stock available today. All details and prices can be found on the back pages of the travel guide that the crew have distributed to you. So if you wish to purchase any duty-free perfumes, cosmetics, or gifts, please don't hesitate to contact the crew as we're passing through the cabin. But for now, we'd like you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.